2018 Chevrolet Trax review. A roomy interior and a lot of standard tech can't overcome the Trax's shortcomings. The Chevrolet Trax originally debuted inside the United States to the 2015 model year. At the time, we noted it was an affordable suburban runabout that's all too easy to drive, simple to park, and has now up-to-date technology features, but followed by investing in its not quick, though, and its interior materials are far away from best in class. 3 years on, the 2018 Chevrolet Trax is still an easy task to drive, but Chevy has addressed only a portion of our concerns. Last year, Chevy gave the Trax a facelift both outside plus and added more technology, though the underlying mechanicals weren't changed. So in spite of the improvements, the 2018 Trax's ride quality, performance and fuel efficiency all lag behind all of those other class. After all, the Trax's biggest competitors' supply either been completely redesigned or introduced fresh from the intervening years. Still, there is no denying the Trax is priced competitively and will be offering appealing features, for example Chevy's MyLink infotainment system as standard equipment. The interior is attractive to take selling point of the available space, as well as the seats are snug. Visibility can be quite good. The Trax certainly have their own strengths, however its weaknesses ensure it is hard for individuals to recommend. As such, modern competitors bring a great deal to the table, and they are worth a peek. The sporty Mazda CX-3 offers an engaging driving experience, even though the Honda HR-V is surprisingly roomy and versatile. Buyers seeking a little more ruggedness might try the Jeep Renegade and the go-anywhere Subaru Crosstrek, which offers a comprehensive suite of driver aids and active security measures. What's new? The 2018 Chevrolet Trax receives only small trim-level equipment updates. All trim levels obtain the latest version of Chevy's MyLink infotainment system. We think the LT trim is the foremost deal. Among other things, it features LED daytime running lights, cruise control and rails for roof-mounted luggage racks. Consider adding the driver confidence package, which necessitates the LT convenience package. For the reasonable price, you have extra safety technology and many interior trim upgrades. Also consider adhering to front-wheel drive until you frequently drive in wet or snowy conditions. Otherwise, the additional weight of all-wheel drive further slows the Trax's watchy-pocky acceleration. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Chevy Trax can be purchased in 3 trim levels: LS, LT and Premier. The base LS trim has enough standard equipment never to feel stripped down. Nevertheless, the LT adds more practical features and contains access to their several options packages. The Premier trim not simply gets interior upgrades, in addition, it has added active safety measures. All 3 trims are powered with a turbocharged 1.4-litre 4-cylinder engine, 138 horsepower, 148 ft-lb of torque. Also standard is really a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. Front-wheel drive designs include front disc brakes and drum brakes inside the rear, and all-wheel drive models get disc brakes in any way 4 corners. The base Trax LS includes 16-inch steel wheels alloys in the event you upgrade to all-wheel drive, power-adjustable manual folding side mirrors, keyless entry plus a rear-view camera. Inside you will find a 6040 split folding rear seat, a tilt and telescoping controls, air conditioning, OnStar communications that has a 4G LTE connection as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot, Chevy's MyLink infotainment system which has a 7-inch touchscreen interface, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, 2 USB ports along with a 6-speaker head unit. Moving approximately, the LT gets 2 roof rails, LED daytime running lights, LED taillights, heated mirrors, remote vehicle start, cruise control along with a storage drawer in the passenger seat. The infotainment system receives satellite radio, as well as a 110-volt outlet is added with the back seat area. There are 4 major packages for the Trax LT. The LT Convenience package adds premium cloth upholstery with simulated leather inserts, a leather-wrapped tire, keyless ignition and entry, along with a 6-way power-adjustable driver seat. The Driver Confidence package has blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert and rear parking sensors. Opting for the Sun and Sound package gets a 6-speaker Bose stereo system plus a sunroof. New for that 2018 Trax LT may be the Redline Edition, a shape package that includes black body accents and 18-inch alloy wheels painted black with, surprise surprise, a red line throughout the circumference. The top-tier Premier trim is included with all of the LT's packages from Redline Edition, and also fog lights, 18-inch wheels, full simulated leather upholstery and heated front seats. It also gets extra active security measures, forward collision alert and lane departure warning. The only options package for your Premier will be the Midnight Edition, which, more surprises, includes black paint and black interior and exterior trim pieces. Driving. Braking performance is average to the class, and steering is precise if numb. Otherwise, the Trax falls behind the segment regarding performance and handling. The small engine struggles to accelerate, as well as the tires protest in even moderate turns. Comfort. Comfortable seats include the high point. Beyond that, the Trax ride quality exhibits a considerable amount of choppiness, plus there is a fair number of road noise. Some competitors offer better ride quality as well as a more pleasant driving experience. Interior. A smart interior layout definitely makes the most of the Trax's relatively small, yet still competitive for that segment, interior space. Visibility is nice, the controls are straightforward, and receiving in and out is fairly easy. Utility. Cargo volume is below what some competitors offer, however the rear seats are all too easy to fold. The fold-flat front seat provides extra room for longer items. Maximum cargo space is 48.4 cubic feet. Technology. Chevy SmileLink system is all too easy to learn, and along with OnStar, offers a robust list of features. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard, as they are Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity. Only the Premier trim receives a full suite of active security features, however, many are available about the LT.